Hi, Michael Gaffney here. We're wondering what you do with these big, I call genie in the bottle. These are large containers that we would do for events, hotel lobbies, weddings. So how do you handle it? I'm going to start with, you know how I love to do fast designs. We start with a bunch of equisitium. It grows along the highways of Wisconsin. I'm going to wrap some monstera leaves around. Think of monster, that's how you'll always remember them. They're very large. So I'm just going to sort of collar it around with some monstera. I'm going to show some up high. Switching hands, I'm going to show another one. I've got 5 monsteras going into here. And I'm simply going to drop it into my container carefully and quickly. Look at that. I'm halfway done already. Straighten this up. Play with it a little bit. So there is my monstera leaves added. They always make a big splash. Why are these crooked? There. Now, I'm going to add the focal point. Some big juicy white Casablanca lilies. These will open up into big giant spheres. You know I use these a lot in my designing. Okay, go back. And this is how we're going to finish this design off for that lobby. We're going to group some Casablanca lilies on either side. And again, these are going to open up into big white spheres. And you will love it. Now, reasons my flowers stay alive for weeks at a time. Number 1, buy good flowers. You have to have a source to buy your flowers in a good location. Number 2, put some bleach in the water. Focus on that crowning glory. I'm going to shove some bear grass in here coming out the top, a whole bunch, and then all you got to do is fill with water. Number 2, some bleach in the water. Number 3, crowning glory, the magical spray.